Hello friends, the Teji Mandi app is basically used for the investment purposes. In this video, we will discuss its benefits, risk, charges and also the some hidden features that we are not aware of. So after watching this video, you will not need to watch any other video on any other platform. So as I will provide a comprehensive review. So friends, let's start the video. My name is Mahima Sharma and you are watching Tortoise Investor. First, let's discuss what the Teji Mandi app is used for. So, this app provides you with a basic portfolio management services. So, if you invest in stocks and are unsure when to buy, when to sell, so you can find a rebalancing updates. You can connect your existing broker to this app. The benefit is that even if your portfolio amount is small, so you can access services typically offered for the portfolio exceeding 50 lakhs in the market. Teji Mandi app is basically targeted towards the small retailers. You can start your investment here just with the 21,000 rupees. Even if your portfolio is as low as 21,000 rupees, you can get your information related to the portfolio. You will receive updates for rebalancing at least once in a month, but if market conditions are significantly different, you may receive more than one update. You can choose to apply or skip these updates as per your wish. The portfolios mentioned are generally designed for the long-term investing and are typically planned for the duration of 4 years. So friends, this platform is registered with the SEBI and is a well-known branded platform. Generally, this app provides buy and sell recommendations for the stock, but along with the reason why you should sell or why you should buy a particular stock, if you use this application, you will definitely be able to learn something new. You can use this app as in Hindi as well as in the language of English. So now let's discuss its disadvantages, because in any review video isn't completed without the mentioning its disadvantages. So I always provide both the benefits and also the drawbacks on this channel so that I can represent things as they are. However, my intentions behind discussing the disadvantages are not like that I want to defame the any particular app, but I just want to show you the reality of the app. So let's discuss the disadvantages. Firstly, one major disadvantage is that you have access of 16 broker only, meaning if your Demat account is with a specific broker like SBI Cap Security, you may not be able to access it. Among these brokers are generally all the big names like Zerodha, Angel One, Grow, ICICI. But if your account is with a lesser known broker like Finbetcha or Fire, or there are many more brokers, I have not shown the name, you might not be able to connect them. Additionally, if you connect your application to a Demat account, some broker may charge you for it. These charges may vary from broker to broker, with some not charging anything while others may have fixed range from 100 to 200 rupees. And although there are some brokers which may apply charges per stock. So when you sign up for this application, you start receiving numerous promotional calls which may be irritating for the some user. Another issue is that the application tends to hang frequently, so leading to many problems in the viewing portfolio or missing portfolio data. Also, applying update can also take like 6 to 7 days. So this is the major disadvantage. Another one is like there is no free trial available on this platform. Generally, like people want to prefer out an app first before deciding if it is useful enough to subscribe or not. However, currently this app doesn't offer any free trial, which could be benefit user in accessing to its usefulness. Additionally, once you subscribe, there is no option for a refund. So this is also the major problem. Now let me share the charges with you. If you subscribe the app for the 3 months, the charge is like 199 rupee per month, while for the 6 months, it is slightly cheaper at 149 rupee per month. So I have shared with you all the disadvantages, advantages, charges of their app based on my all the research. So now let me provide a conclusion. This app seems promising to me despite some minor drawbacks. So there is a dedicated team working behind it. Therefore, I recommend trying out at least a month subscription to see if it suits your long-term needs. That's all for the today video, friends. Goodbye. We will meet in the next video. Again, take care.